Hey guys, and welcome back. It's Kayleigh at Just Mum Winging It. If you're new here, then please subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell for post notifications. So in today's video, it's an after dark clean with me. As you can see, I'm just giving you a quick overview of what state my home is in at the minute in the kitchen. So we're going to stick some nice relaxing music on and get cleaning. So grab yourselves a cup of tea and a blanket and some biscuits, sit down, get comfy, light some candles and enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe down the worktops with some disinfectant spray and give them a quick buff up so they're nice and shiny. Okay guys, so I gave all my rugs a wash earlier on today, so I'm just giving them a shake out. They've been on the air drying. We'll pop them back. So it's just a quick one tonight, guys. It's not a very long video. I hope you've enjoyed. You found a bit of cleaning motivation. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.